Hey everyone! In this guide, I'm going to show you how to add age verification to your Squarespace website. It only takes 2 minutes and you don't need any specific skills to do it. First of all, let's go to Elfsight and choose the age verification widget in the menu list. The link is in the description. Click Create Widget. So let's create your widget. Begin by choosing a template that suits your case best. Click Continue with this template. Set the minimum age, verification method, and other parameters to ensure your website complies with age restrictions. Customize the age verification pop-up's logo, text, and additional information to effectively control access to your website. Customize the design of your age verification pop-up to create a visually appealing and on-brand experience for your visitors. Click Add to Website to get the embed code for your website. Log in or sign up to Elfsight. This is free, no credit card required. After you sign up, you'll see the widget that you have just created. Click on the code to copy it and go to your Squarespace admin panel. Paste the age verification embed code into your Squarespace admin panel to add it to your website. Now let's add the plugin to your Squarespace website. Log into your Squarespace dashboard and select the website where you want to add the plugin. In the left-hand menu, click Website, then Pages. Paste your installation code into the footer field and click Save. The pop-up will be added to all pages of your Squarespace website. Refresh your page, and your pop-up is live. Thank you for watching this video. Enjoy your day.